Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Julie of Julie's Plans. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. Today I'm going to be sharing with you some of the new planners that recently launched from Bloom Daily Planners. Now their academic year launch actually happened last week, but as you can probably still tell just a little bit, I hope, I have been a little bit under the weather, so I am a little bit delayed getting this video up. However, Bloom, the team over at Bloom was kind enough to send me a few of their planners for their launch, and they are so freaking adorable. I am so excited to share this with you. Now, they launched, I think it was 46 new products for their academic launch, which is amazing. Bloom is no stranger to the planner community. They've been around for a very long time. Fun fact, Bloom is actually the very first planner I ever purchased and even posted a picture of over on my Instagram feed back in 2014. So they are very well known and very well loved and extremely affordable in the planner community, and they actually do a lot of giving back initiatives. You can actually check out I think it's like the give back or gives back tab over on their page, but they do actually support a lot of different initiatives over on their website. You can check that out over there. All right, let's go ahead and get started. So I chose all three covers of mine to be soft covers. I love the soft cover planners from Bloom. They are just so well made, so very durable, and just beautiful, absolutely beautiful. So the first one I have is the Spread Kindness cover. Now these are all for pre-order because again, they are the 2021-2022 academic launch. You can check all the details of when they will actually ship over at bloomplanners.com. So like I said, this first one is the Spread Kindness one. This retails for $16.95. You guys, these planners are extremely affordable. Like, when you consider all of the things out there on the market, these are some of the most affordable planners out there, and I think they honestly make just some of the most perfect gifts, especially this time of year when you've got a lot of kids leaving high school and going into college. These are going to be some great options as a gift. These kids probably don't even realize that they need a planner. And you know, they're about to enter into one of the biggest transition periods of their life, and a planner can be so essential to that. So this one has a gold coil. Their coils are actually very strong. It's a good size. This one right here is like is it A5, I think, kind of size. I want to say it's 5 by 7 or close to it. It is actually 6 inches wide by 8¼ inches tall, and I actually just checked their website, and it looks like these will be shipping the week of or in between April 26th and May 7th. So that gives you plenty of time if you need to give this as a gift or anything like that. You just need to plan ahead. That's awesome. So you open it right up. The cover does have this plastic sleeve right here. Now, even though these are soft cover, they are nice and coated, so they are going to last the whole year long. So you have your Bloom planner that is July 21 to July 22. Place to put your name and phone number. How will you bloom this year? And it gives you an area to write your mission statement. Then it has a letter from the Bloom team along with your important dates for the year, along with a year at a glance for 21 and 22. And I love these pages in here. I did a review for them last year over on their planners, but this is one of my favorite sections of this planner, specifically for younger people that are, you know, I personally like to think of it as that period between high school and college, because it gives you an area to sort of figure out your purpose. I mean, heck, even those of us in our 30s and 40s are still trying to figure that out. So there's really no time limit on this at all, but gives you an area to sort of mind map that, along with get down to what values matter to you most. Then you have a where are you now and where are you going, and you can rate these different areas of your life, along with kind of giving you a little bit of space for positive and negative aspects and daily actions to make improvements. Then there's even a things not to do area. It says consider the following when filling out your things not to do, giving your attention to things that you can change, protecting your yeses, and when you need help, ask for it. And I love that last part, establish boundaries. So important. Then you have a plant to bloom in 21 and 22. You get your 5 goals for the year, things to look forward to, things to try, books you would like to read, and then places to visit. It would be really, really great in 21 and 22, or at least the latter half, if more travel can actually happen. Then you have an area for this year's vision. It gives you some ideas right here, and of course you can cover all of this up. The next area gives you an area for goal tracking, and it kind of breaks down what Bloom stands for, which is be inspired, love yourself, outline a vision, organize priorities, and make it happen. Then you have an area to track your habits. I love this. This is so, so cute. This is probably one of the more like unique habit trackers that I've seen that you don't have to draw out yourself. I know you've seen this a lot probably in like bullet journaling process type of planning videos, but this is really cool that they have this in here. Then you have your My Ideal Week, and it has your daytime routine, evening and weekend, along with each day of the week. Then if you turn it over this way, you can see that you have your weekly schedule. This is great. Then you have a monthly task area and a bill payment tracker. This little itty bitty planner literally has everything you need in here. Then you have your joy list, your things to do. We haven't even gotten to the actual planner yet, you guys. And then you've got some notes pages, your contacts, which is always good to have a few of those actually written down, your website logins, username, and password. My suggestion for this is not to actually write your password, but maybe a code for a location where you keep the password, if that makes sense. Now you will jump into your weekly view. It is horizontal. Week on 2 pages. You do have an area for your top 3 priorities. It does have a month at a glance with the current week highlighted. And then of course, since this is a July start, you don't have your month yet. It's the first week. That's the end of June, beginning of July. So then you have your month start. The tab does turn to the month, which is awesome. It is a Sunday through Saturday month with the weekends shaded in blue, since the overall theme of this planner is this nice navy blue color. The dates are on the upper left-hand corner. You do have a previous month and post-month view there for planning. It really does give you a lot of space to get your planning done. Then you jump into the weeks again, and then it goes into the next month and so on. Let's see what is at the end. I kind of love that there's just no fuss in this planner as far as there's not like title pages on the month. It just goes from the end of one week or end of the month to the next full month view and so on. So that is really, really great. Then you're going to get to the back, and you actually do have one notes page, some important dates for next year, which is great to have it in here. This is a very portable planner, so maybe someone tells you about something that's going on in, you know, the end of 2022 into 2023. You can actually jot it down there, like a birth date, a wedding, something, some type of travel plan in there. Then you've got your How I Bloomed in 2021, so it kind of gives you a look back, which is super cool. And each of their planners does include a sheet of stickers and a magnetic bookmark. So of course there's another pocket back here for you to store those in, which is so cute here, which is really, really nice. And then you've got this magnet. Now the pages in the Bloom planner aren't like super crazy thick, so you can actually hold quite a few pages with the magnetic bookmark, but I think that that's pretty neat to have that in there. And then you have the end of the book. Like I said, this one actually has some foil accents on it, which is really nice, but I love that it's a soft cover, but it is coated, protected, and it will stay safe from the elements. The tabs are protected by the cover. They don't stick out. This is just great to slip in your bag or even your backpack. Now this next one is the lemon theme. It is essentially the same exact thing as this one, just with the lemon cover. I can never resist a lemon cover. Now this one has kind of almost like a waxy coating, I want to say. It's not as shiny as the other one, but you can tell that it's not going to get damaged very quickly. I love this inside pattern of it. Again, the pages are pretty much the same. It's got that same navy blue interior. Let's go to the weekly pages as well. Yep, same thing. So you're going to get the same layout, but if you just prefer this cover with the lemons on it, then you're going to be all set. This is probably my favorite one in here. I have seen people use these planners. If you don't want to use it as your main planner, you could actually use it to jot down some memory keeping before you actually do your memory keeping spread. You can use it daily as a journal to just write some daily journal prompting in here, to do some affirmations, things like that. So that's great. That's the great thing for me about a horizontal planner. Me personally, I would not use horizontal as my actual planner, but I would definitely try it out as a journal. All right, and then the last pattern I have is actually the green modern abstract. It's kind of hard to tell through here, but these parts right here are not black. They're actually like this dark green. This one does have a rose gold coil. It's almost like a pinker rose gold than the actual like champagne color rose gold, but it's okay. You guys know rose gold is not my favorite. Definitely going to be gifting this one. And this one has that shinier coating to it on the cover, as you can see there. And this one's just super pretty, and I know it's going to make a great gift, but basically all of the print and the tabs are going to be in green, and essentially just the same thing as the previous two planners, just a different color scheme. I kind of like this right here. I think it was just blue in the other planner, but now I have to go back and look. But yeah, same thing, just a different color, so it would just come down to personal preference. But you're going to get all of the same features, like the plant to bloom, the things to do, the values, the purpose, all of that. They're not missing out on anything just because they picked a different color scheme. I personally really like this much smaller size. I don't know what it is. I'm like, this is just perfect. Perfect for on the go. So of course you're going to get your week, your month view, and so on. And then when you get to the back, you are going to get those same pages with the dates for next year and the how you bloomed in 2021. You're still going to get the stickers and the bookmark in the back. And you guys, let's talk about their stickers. Also, this one is $16.95 as well, and they always have sales. Honestly, for $16.95, you're not going to find anything with quite as many features and be made as well. So this is definitely a great planner. So their stickers are absolutely adorable. These are already over on the website, and these are going to run you about $9.95 per set, but you do get 6 sheets of stickers with each one. They are just so freaking adorable, and they're just a lot of fun. Like, they're not meant to be taken too seriously, but they're just so cute. I love those. The coffee, the llama, the little dog, the flamingo. I mean, just super cute stuff. They've got a whole sheet for birthdays, which is also adorable. I love the champagne bottles, the Avo toast. I mean, it's perfect. Then you've got a little vacation one with some luggage, passports, flip-flops, things like that. And you've got more of a Valentine's Day and goals one. And you've got some coffee here, busy days. It's almost like coffee and work. And then you've got more of your functional stickers up here in the front. And this one is their productivity sticker pack. Also includes 6 sheets. And I just mixed them all up, taking them out of there. But this one does have like kind of like an all year long type thing. There's like some school stuff, pizza, working out, friend stuff. I like the sheet the most. This is one of my favorites. You've got a birthday, date night, vacation one, groceries, more coffee, working out, and then another one with some random fun things on there, and then a couple of more functional ones with some planners, pens, things like that. These are adorable. Alright, so that is everything for these planners from the Bloom launch that happened last week. Again, I'm just a little bit late, so bear with me. If you guys have any questions about any of these items that I mentioned in today's video, please feel free to ask down below in the comments. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video, hopefully with a better sounding voice. Bye, everyone.